Akai recently released Gen 2 versions of the Key 37 and the MPC 1. I was able to get the Key 37 Gen 2 on release day, so I wanted to make my first beat on it and compare it to the Gen 1 version, which I had for a while. So key differences are, other than the retro color, is a core CPU, which is supposed to be 4 times faster or more capable than the Gen 1 versions. It also comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is double the Gen 1. That's supposed to give you up to 32 plugin instances and also up to 16 audio tracks. It also has the USB-C connectivity, and that should give you up to 24 channels of audio I/O. It also gives you MIDI connectivity through the same cable. It also allows you to connect directly to like your iPhone, iPad, or your mobile phones, so you can sample the audio from those mobile devices. They've also made some slight changes on the key layout, the button mapping, and I think it's to align, with the 3.9 software update. But for the most part, it's the same machine. So to test it out, I'm gonna make a beat. So far, just loading that drum kit and just moving around the operating system of the Gen 2, I could already feel the difference as far as it being much more snappier or responsive, and it loaded that drum kit pretty quick versus, the Gen 1. Next, I want to create a bass line for this, and I want to use one of my expansions for like a electric bass. And that, I use my retro tone expansion. You can get this on my Gumroad site, which I'll have the links in the description. Basically, a bunch of different retro sounding bass guitars. Now I'm going to make like a piano track for chords. For that, I'm using the stage piano, Yamaha C7 patch. Okay. Now let's do like some string hits. For that, I will use intimate strings. And then the patch is called short. So it's gonna go something like. It's gonna overdub it with octave up. It's a little bit more. I'm gonna add kind of like a echo part, like an echo effect. And for that sound, I'm gonna use studio strings, staccato synth, and then I put a lot of feedback on the delay at 76% mix. So it kind of has like that delay echo. All right, so these are all the different sections that I made, played in sequence. So the first section is this. It goes to the next section here. But yeah, so just making this beat on the MPC Key 37 Gen 2, I found it like a really cool workflow because I do a lot of things on the keys. And, you know, typically I'll have my MPC Live 3 here and I'm using my key or like MIDI keyboard, MPK Mini 25 keys right here, or my, you know, bigger MIDI keyboard. And, you know, with the Key 37, everything is just right in front of me. And I feel like, you know, I get into the zone quicker, or I could just, you know, move in the beat a lot faster. Yeah, and if you like the video, you know, please hit the like button, considering following or subscribing to my channel, DB Pad Lab, where I do a lot of these MPC workflow videos. I do beat cookups. I also will upload some of the sounds. Like for this one, you'll get the drum program and also the bass program or bass key group free to download on my site. Please tune in again for the next video. All right, thanks, peace.